Welcome in my tutorials for Microsoft Word, and today we are going to learn about tutorial number 3. Inside tutorial number 3, we are going to learn about features and instruction found in tabs. Especially for today is Home tab. Before we proceed, let me remind you about assignment. After tutorial number 3, we are going to conduct our first assignment. So make sure you are attempting this assignment number 1 so that you can understand well. Also, don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel so that you can receive more updates from our program. Also, take and communicate with me so that you can receive and submit through WhatsApp. Okay, let me proceed. Home tab, we focus on paragraph. Inside the paragraph, there is different things found in paragraph, like bullet. In this press, bullet is feature found in a paragraph and used for outline or listing items in. There is number, there is number in letter or number in capital case or small case. Here there's different kind of number. Now let me choose this one. Now you see the number is appearing like this one. Also, I can add number to this second sentence, or I can choose number. As you see, here is number 1 and number 2 sequential. As you see here, there is some section, autocorrect option. When you clicking in this down arrow, you can there's options. Restart your numbering. You can start your numbering. Maybe you need to start the number. Let me do this one. I can start. Now you see the number changed from 2 to 1. I can go back to the previous number. Continue with number 2. Now you see this is option allow you to autocorrect your number. Maybe you need to start or you need to continue with numbering. Another thing is multi-level numbering. Multi-level numbering used especially for nested listing or for nested listing. Maybe you need to make a different section in a number. Now you are supposed to choose this press. Now as you see, there is maybe number 1 A. Beside A there is Roman 1 and so on. Now another thing in paragraph, there is increasing indent or indent. This indent, there is two kinds of indents, decreasing indent and increase indent. This decrease indent means that you move your paragraph closer to the margin. I means left margin. And this increase indent means that you move the paragraph further away from the margin. As you see, if you need to perform that action or this action, you need to select the press you need to move. Now let me select these words. After selecting, I can go back to this increase indent. This decrease indent. Now I can click. After clicking, now you see the word moved from right hand side to left hand side. I can increase indent. Means I can move these words from left hand side or left margin to right margin. As you see here, the word moved from left to right in this place of indent. Also, I can sort. As you see here, there is letter A to Z with down arrow. This enables you to set your items or words as you want. This allows you to sort your words, maybe in ascending order or descending order. This is an option of sorting your document and words found in your document. Here there is option maybe sort paragraph, sort heading, sort field 1. Now I choose paragraph. The type of words or things I want to sort is text but not number. I can choose number or date. Here I choosing text. Text is in ascending order. Also I can choose in descending order. I means in ascending order means from A to Z. In descending order from Z to A. Also here, this option allows you to, after sorting by paragraph, I can choose another option, then sort then by. Sort then by. Also, there is different instruction which allow you to sort. After sorting, now you are going to show hidden or unhidden things in the paragraph. This part or this section allow you to hide or unhide things or words in your paragraph. As you see here, this if I am clicking here, you see the hidden words now appearing like this way. But if I'm clicking the second time, now you see the words is hidden. Also, let me move to another section. How this paragraph can be appeared. Maybe these words appeared left hand side of the page, or at the center, or align at the left margin, or is justified. Now, if you need to perform this action, you need to select in the place wherever you want. Now I'm selecting like this way, as you see. After selecting, now I'm choosing my words to be appearing at the left hand side of my page. Here it is middle of my page, and left is aligned in light margin, and here is at the center of my page and the left hand side of my page. Also, there is another thing which is a line line and a paragraph spacing. Let me click on this down arrow. Now you see the line. There is 1.0, 1.15, 1.5, 2.0, 2.5, 3.0, and so on. So if I'm putting 1.5, now you see my spacing. There is no narrow gap between one sentence to another sentence. If I'm clicking to 1.0, now you see there is no gap between one sentence to another sentence. Or I can do a line spacing option, or add space before paragraph, or add space after paragraph. This option is found in spacing. Another thing is shading. I can shade my words in this paragraph by choosing different colors found in this phrase. Now you see if I'm changing the color and the shadow appearing like this one. Now you can choose the shadow you need to keep on your paragraph. Now you see here my words is in the shadow. If I want to remove this shadow, I'm selecting all words and I'm going back to this place and click no color. Now this shadow is disappearing. Also, another thing is border. Border means that this words is in border. You can keep this words in border. Here there is different borders. Now you need to select these words you need to keep in border. Or after selecting, I'm go back to borders, and here there is bottom border, there is top border, there is left border, there is right border, there is no border, there is all borders you see here. There is outside border, there is inside border, there is inside horizontal border, and inside vertical border, and line. You can choose the line of your border, whatever you want. Also, after paragraph, let me see about style of my words. Here there is different styles, as you see here. There is normal style, there is no spacing. Your words are appearing no spacing, and here appearing in head 1. This is head 2. This is the title. This is subtitle. This is subtitle, emphasize, and this is emphasize, and this is interest, and this is strong, and this is quote, and this is interest quote, and this is sub-relief, and this is interest. Also, there is more option found down here. You can choose to differentiate style. Also, there is another terms you can use in this home tab. You can find words if your document contain many words. You can instead of scroll for a long time, you can find the words in a simple way by clicking in this place of finding. After clicking, you can find your words you need. Maybe I want to find the word mwimbaji. I can write mwimbaji, 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 then press. Now you see all words known as mwimbaji is highlighted as you see here. This searching or finding simplify your work of finding the word in the document. Also, you can find and replace the words by clicking replace. Here, replace, you find the words and replacing. If I want to replace the word mwimbaji, I can, the first thing, I'm writing the word mwimbaji and the alternative words which I want to replace, maybe wimbo. I want to write the word wimbo. In the place where there is mwimbaji is replaced by the word wimbo. Let me go on like this one. You see the word mwimbaji is here, and I want to replace with wimbo. I'm clicking in this place of replace. Now you see, instead of mwimbaji, there is word wimbo, as you see here. Now after replacing, I can close. If you want to go back to mwimbaji, you can redo that words by clicking in this place of redo. Also, I can select here there is different options: select all, select object, select all text with similar formatting, node data, and select pan. Let me show you select all. Now you see, after clicking select all words are selected. As you see, I can select all. If I want to go back, I can redo. Thank you for listening me, and thank you for my tutorials. Don't forget to subscribe on this channel so that you can receive more updates from my service or programs. Also, let me remind you on assignment. After this tutorial, you will conduct, I will provide you an assignment. You need to take my WhatsApp number so that I can give you assignment. I will give you assignment, and you will attempt to say that assignment and return back for marking, and then I will return back to you for correction and clarification. Thank you very much, and God bless you.